Nowadays, your mobile phone is just like the clothes you wear, and it says a lot about your personal style and preference. How often have you heard the words, "I'm an Apple person"? Now, of course, this claim can be attributed to the ecosystem that Apple provides, but more often than not, people are just a fan of the way iOS looks and feels, and the same can be said for Android. In this video, I'll show you how I take control of my UI and tailor it from my style. Let's take a look at my fresh setup. For starters, to achieve this layout, you'll need the following: KWGT widgets. Now this acts as a hub for all the widgets that you're going to be downloading going forward. You'll also need OSHA and Foxy through KWGT. Now these are like widget packs that you can download in the Play Store, which house pretty much all the styles and different size widgets that you'll be using in this home screen setup. Then of course you'll need a launcher, and my preference is Nova Launcher. And in this setup, the icon pack that I'm using is called Minimalist. And last but not least, of course, the wallpaper. All of which will be linked in the description below, so that way you guys can go ahead and replicate this setup for yourselves. On screen, I'll be recreating this layout for you guys at home, so that way you can see it step by step from start to finish. This will be in 2x speed, so if you want, you can stop the video and check out what I'm doing. Now this video marks the first episode of the Fresh Setup series. Each month you can expect a new layout from me, and I'll also cover what's on my iPhone if that intrigues you guys as well. Feel free to send me any layouts that you've done. I'll be sure to feature the best one that I find in the next episode. Now hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video and look forward to future episodes. Until next time, stay fresh. Peace.